Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G and today's video. I was waiting for the flowers to arrive before I done these videos in a swap in June with the lovely Kim Schultz, and we are doing a 3-piece ATC swap, and it's botanical kind of themed, so it's kind of flower themed. So I've got my ATC bases, and these are just the traditional square edge ones from Fernley Designs, which are sold in my store and at Fernley directly. And I've got this paper pad here, and I thought this would work quite nicely. And I know this image is right in the middle, but I quite like that bird. It's not going. I wonder if I can get all of my ATC bases. Oh, I like that one too. Okay, I'm going to push all these to the back. I've got my hot glue gun, well, my hot glue going. I'm going to adhere these using the art glitter glue. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back. And I'm going to put it on my card, my ATC base, making sure that it's all precise. And then I'm going to cut it off. I don't remember where this particular this particular paper pad is from, because I don't have the front cover, so I do apologise about that. Okay, let's bring over some vintage photo and aid up the edges. Now, I no longer use this particular one for stamping. I just use that when I need to go directly onto something. I've got some wired leaves from my store, and I was thinking, let me put that away so I don't injure myself with it. So I get myself a pencil, and I'm going to wrap the wire around the pencil so it becomes part of the and I'm going to use some of these picks. I think I may cut some of the wires off, but I don't know yet, I haven't decided. What colour flower do I want? I quite like these white ones, so I think I'm going to go for this white one here. I just need to trim the back off slightly because it's a bit long. So let's hot glue this leaf down. And there's berry pick. Now this glue that I'm using at the moment, it really does have tons of strings. It's driving me potty. It must be one of the older ones I have, because I've got some newer ones, but I kind of put them all in together, which I shouldn't have done. So I really dislike this one that causes all these strings. But hey, I've got it, so I'll use it. I love these burlap flowers, I think they're lovely. Do I want to put in another flower? Maybe one of these red ones. I really like that. I really like that a lot. Okay, so that's one. Let's have a look at this paper pad. That's nice in the pink hues. Let's use this pink page. Again, going straight on with the art glitter glue. making sure that it's all in the right spot, and cut it away. I learned you get a better cut if you do some smaller drags rather than deep drags. I think you get a better cut. Okay, now what do I want to do with this one? I think I want to put a bit of glitter washi on it for a start. Because even though these are all like the nautical ones that I did last month that I will link so it pops out now, I want kind of the similar kind of theme running through it, but I don't want them to be identical. So once I can find the end of this glitter washi, which is available from my store, Create at Home with G, just like the flowers and the leaves. Where is the end? Excuse me. I got a sneeze yesterday, crafters. My hay fever is really bad this year. Finally found it. So I want some washi there, and I think I want a bit of washi just on the bottom here. And I've got this lovely washi here that has the flowers on it. Okay, and I'm just going to tuck those around the back. Quite a soft one. I don't want to go heavy with the flowers, but I do want to, like I said, I want the ATCs to be cohesive. So maybe just the one blossom here. Button stash. And these, a lot of these buttons are available from my store also. I'm just going to tuck some of these wooden buttons underneath the flower. I was thinking of maybe having a trio of buttons running down the washi. I like that. Okay. Okay, crafters, that's that one done. And now I kind of want it to kind of be like spring, summer, autumn, or maybe spring, summer, winter. So maybe I'll do a kind of a Christmassy one next. Let's have a look at the paper pad. Oh, I like that purple, and I like that red. Now I know my lovely crafting sister Kim, who these are for, she does have a penchant with purple. She does like her purple, so I'm going to use this pink and this purple again, just making the base the purple. And I want to use this pink. So let me just draw around. Let me just cut it so I have a piece that's the right size. I want it? Do I want it like that? Yep. Okay. Let's have a look what I've got in here to use. Okay, I'm definitely moving away from the Christmas theme, aren't I, crafters? I'm liking that so far. And I'm going to glue these down. Again, I should have done it before I stuck those down, but if it doesn't work I can always go over it. This is the 3-piece sentiment stamp set available in the store. Should be able to get that on there. What colour do I want? Do I want to do it in the black, or do I want to do it in a kind of a reddy pink colour? Okay, this is the oxide fired brick, and I'm hoping that this is going to show up well on here. And it does. Oh yeah, I like that. Yep, I like that. And it says, hope and love make beautiful people. In fact, hope and love make beautiful plants and flowers and everything else. Okay, what else do I want here? Do I want it to leave it as like that? And I've got some slight overhang here which is annoying me, so I'm going to cut that off. I'll be able to do it with that, Gareth. Let's do it with scissors, you nana. I think I'm going to leave that one as it is, because some of these other two are quite busy. I need to sellotape that so they stay. I shall put a backing on here. But there we go, crafters. Here are my 3 ATCs for the lovely Kim Schultz, my crafting buddy, my crafting sister. Hope you like them, Kim. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.